just as good as new. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. There'll be no more chasing around here. You can make up your mind to that. You're not so tough. You think I'm brave because you're chained up, huh? Well, why this chain is... He ain't chained. He ain't chained. Oh. Spike isn't chained. Yes, I'm afraid I did.
That's too bad. Say, by the way, how'd you come out with the dog?
Dog? Oh, yes, dog. No, he just couldn't see it your way.
Then he's going to keep on chasing you?
Mm-hmm.
So that means that you...
Yes, that means... Oh, going someplace?
No, just going. How do you like that? The same thing again. I won't put up with it any longer. I'll tell him just once more. It's gotta stop. What am I, a man or a mouse? I'm a mouse.